next. All right, so I'll do the first one here so everybody remembers. So we do 5 plus 7, which is 12. So I'm going to draw it in. So I'm going to draw a little 2 right there. And then I carry over the 1. Right, so you're really splitting it. 10 here plus 2 here is 12. So I got 3, 4, 5, 6. And no carryover and no carryover. All right, so let's see. I want everybody to do B by themselves. Only one carryover. Oh, C's got 1 carryover. 2 carryovers. Oh my gosh, it gets harder. All right, so you try and do this one by yourself first. Give me the answer. I should have a scrap piece of paper here. I'll do it on my thing first. All right, let's see what everybody got. See if I got the same answer. How'd everybody do? Okay. What answer did you get?
762.
700. What'd you say? Sorry? 700.
53.
Okay, 52. Did I get that? 3. Yes. Let's see what I got.
Teacher, what's that?
This is on
Teacher, I finished.
4.
Teacher, I finished.
Okay, it's okay. Don't finish yet. We do it together. All right. Did everybody get 753?
753.
Excellent. All right. This one's got
Teacher,
carryover.
what page?
The what?
What page?
40. 40. This one right here, okay?
Teacher, I finished. Okay.
All right? Good. No, Allison needed to know. All right. We didn't finish this page, so that's why I'm doing it now. And then we move on to subtract. Good. All right. Let's have a look. Let me do this one by myself. Let me see. 4 plus this is 6. I got a 6 here. That's 12. So 2 goes here. And a 1 goes there. Did everyone get 426? 426? Yes? All right. Let's do the next one. Uh-oh. I did this one on my paper. Uh-oh. Wait. That's wrong. Okay. All right. Let's try this one. 700 and what?
50.
50?
Okay.
You said 750?
20.
Oh, 70. Ah, okay. Let me do this.
450. Teacher, sorry, I don't have zero. 426.
770? Is that what you got for this?
700. No.
Okay, let's check.
770.
70. 70. Okay, let's double check. 8, 2 is a 10. Carry the 1.
770.
All right. It can't be at least. All right, let's go with this. All right, let's have a look. All right, let's try. 730 people are saying. Let's see. All right, 7 plus 1 is 8. Plus 5 is 13. It is that one. 730.
Yes.
Because 7 plus 1 plus 5 is 13. All right. Good. All right, let's do the bottom. We got a couple on the bottom. Oh, this one you have to write in, right? Let me type this in. So this one you write it in. I'm going to start with the 5. My math head is always starting with the highest. All right.
Yeah.
And then on the bottom one, let's do this one. 328. Oh, this one looks fun. Look at all of them. Oh my goodness. We might go. Okay. 9 plus 8. 17, right? Yes. Carry a 1. 7. Did everybody get that?
I get that.
You got that?
I get that.
897. So there is a reason why I always start with a higher number, and this is why. All right? This is why I start with a higher number, because you would never, ever see addition like this. Never, ever. Okay? You would never, ever see this. All right? Your teacher in higher math, when you get to more grades, higher grades would give you something wrong. That would be not right. Okay? So this is why I like to do the bigger number on top. It reminds me. Okay? So in this case, I can't set up my equation like that. It has to be like, oops, it has to be like this. All right? All right. That's why I always start with a higher number. All right? Remember the 8, 6 goes here. Make sure when you have okay. So I got the 1. I can see. Let's try it. You got the 1. Oh, I have to draw this. All right, so let's draw it. See the 1? That's 11.
331.
41?
31.
31. You're right. 3 and I carry a 1 and I got a 3. So I got 331.
No.
Yeah.
It's not the 1.
What?
No.
Okay, so 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 1 is 3. Sorry, 12, 13. I put a 3 and carry a 1 over. 3 plus 1. 2 plus 1. Right? So that's how you do it. So make sure smaller numbers go under. At this point, doesn't matter, but when you get into higher grades, it will matter. All right, everybody get that?
No.
Okay, so 6 plus 5 is 11. There's my 1, and I'll carry the 1. 8 plus 4 is 12. Plus 1 is 13. Carry the 1. And 1 plus 2 is 3. Now this one, you can set up like this or do it in your head. All right? Figure out your best way. Do you want to do this in your head or do you want to write it out? What does it say on the instructions? Let's see. Just says add. So you have a choice of, like this I can add easy. In my head, that's really easy, isn't it? What's 3 plus 7? Well, that's 10. 263, 264, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. All right. That one I can do in my, oops. That one I can do in my head. All right.
I do on my head too.
Yeah. So sometimes you can do things here. I can't do this in my head. Or I couldn't do this in my head. No way. Take me too long, too hard. I might be able to do this in my head. Well, let's do B first. Well, let's try and do it in my head. I know it's got to be a 3 at the end. So it's got to have a 3 at the end. All right. Oh, it's hard in my head.
333.
You said 333?
Yes.
Wow, that's pretty good. I can't do that in my head.
333.
Is that right? Let me double check, because I can't do that in my head. That's too hard. Oh, no, it's not. 6 plus 7.
333.
7. I got 23. Let's try this. I got 23.
We finished. 3.
Hold on. 7 plus 6 is 13. Oh, you're right. Okay, good. Thank you.
423.
Yes, that I can do in my head, right?
Yeah.
That one I can do in my head. 423. I do that in my head, but I think 414 plus 10 is 424. And then I minus 1. Okay, so that one's in my head.
Yeah.
All right. This one again, I have to really think if I do it in my head.
I know. 504.
504?
Yes.
Okay, let's try. Okay, so 504. All right, let's see. Did you do that in your head? All right, let's have a look. Oh, that should be, yeah, it is. I can do that in my head. Almost. 4, 14, 24, 34, 44, 54, 64, 74, 84, 94, 504. Okay, good.
Wow.
All right, so these ones are easier to do in your head, but I don't know.
Easy.
I've been doing math a long time. I still can't do that in my head. Okay, good. I'll leave that up for a moment. Let me go out a little bit so everybody can make sure you get that. There we go. All right, hope you can see it. Let's move in a little bit. I think I got it. Dun, 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 dun. Well, I have to go back out. All right, so everybody make sure you get that. Let's wait. I'll wait a minute. Give everybody a chance to finish.
I'm finished.
Good. All right, we're going to go on to the next page. Page 41. All right, so I'll leave that for a moment. Okay, well, everybody finishes. I'm going to show you a quick, no, I have to leave that up. Can't show you a video yet.
Everybody.
How's everybody? Everybody good with that?
Good.
Everybody got it copied?
I copy.
Got it finished? Good, good, good. Let's go to the next page. All right. You're going to see these two words a lot. All right. You're going to see this word grouping and regrouping. All right. Everybody ready?
Ready.
Okay, good. Let's have a look at this one.
Ready.
All right. Subtraction without regrouping. That just means you subtract the numbers. Groups mean you track groups of numbers. So let's have a look. Subtract 4 from 58. Well, that's easy, isn't it? Now this is counting back. So we start with 58 and we go back 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Easy peasy, right? So 58 minus 4, 54. Let's go up a little more. Get a little inside of my eyes, okay? Okay. All right, so they set it up like this, but I find this confusing. All right, so here we have our number group that we've done before. 52. We have 58. It gives 50 and 8, and we're minusing 4 from here. So they set it up, that's 8 minus 4 equals 4. 50 plus 4 equals 54. Not about you, but I find that a little bit confusing. All right? So if it comes between this one, if it comes between this one or this one, I find this one easier. It's up to you. I don't know which way you like better. Okay? This seems awfully complicated. All right, so let's do this one, a little subtraction. This is where the lower number, the higher number goes on the top and the lower number goes on the bottom. Because you can't do it this way. You can't do 14 minus 55. Those are our two numbers. We can't do that.
I know.
Yeah, so that's why I get into the practice of putting that bigger number on top. All right, let's have a look here. What's our answer?
It's 5, 4.
5 minus
5 minus 4 is 1.
and
Next,
5.
minus 1 is 4.
That's right. That's why we say it. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, let's have a look. There are 658 chairs in the school hall. That's a big school. Okay. Debbie takes away 4 chairs. How many are there? So you can count back or do it in your head.
I do under my.
Who can do this in their head without using this at all? Can you do this in your head?
Oh, it's 654.
Yeah. So you can do this way or in your head. Okay. So if you're giving this, so you know, there are 658 chairs in the school hall. Debbie takes 4 chairs away. How many chairs are there now? The correct way to answer it, there are now 4 chairs. Okay, that's how you would do it in a sentence. Or you could say, there are 4 chairs now. All right. So that's how you correctly answer a problem. They're telling you sentences and you answer in a sentence. There are how many chairs are there now? There are now 4 chairs, or there are 4 chairs now. All right. So that's something to get into the as we do more. There's the picture for that. All right. So when you start doing problems, we do a little. When you get into grade 3, P3 and P4, you do lots. You'll have to answer in a sentence. So if I just answered 4, uh-oh, I got that wrong. Ay. 654. My mistake, sorry.
Teacher, this is my mouth.
Yeah, it was my part. My fault. Now, if I just answered, if I gave an answer to a teacher, 654, she would probably give me half a point. So instead of getting 1 mark, I get half a mark. because I did not put it in a sentence. So that's something to think about for later, not now. All right, same thing here. All right. How do you like to do this? Do you prefer a number line? Or do you prefer something like this? Or do you like in your head? I did this one in my head. Okay. You can do this one. Again, this breaks down our number. 6 100s. We got 50 10s. And we have 8 1s. They cross 1, 2, 3, 4. And you look again. 6 100s, 50 10s, and now 1, 2, 3 1s. Or 4. 4, sorry, I couldn't see this. No, it's close enough. All right. Yipes. There we go. All right. So you can count this way or this way. But this is really the same as this, isn't it? 658 minus 4, right? That's what this equation looks like. Okay. Well, the number's so small, you can kind of do that in your head. All right, so let's see the other ones. Okay, so they've done the same things here. I want you to try and figure this one. Yeah. Let's have a look closer. There we go. Oh, so you can count back by tens. You can do it this way, or you could do it in your head. All right. So I'm going to do this one in my head because it's a nice round number. So 658, 648, 638, 628, 618, and I got it. Okay? This time is...
And how to 618.
Yeah. They counted back by tens. Let's count back by tens, and I can do that in my head. Let's see the next one. All right? Or you can break it down like this, or you can set it up like this. All right? 600 minus 40. Okay? Or you could do it that way. Hey, somebody chimed. All right. So you do this one. I think they did this one for you. Same way here. Now we're counting by hundreds. So counting back, do it by groups. I go minus 5 minus 3 is 2. Good. Slip down to the next one. 7 minus 2 is 5. Good. And 9 minus 7 is 2. There you go. Okay. And I think that's it for that page. Oh my gosh. Yeah, we'll stop there and we'll go to the other book. All right. First, I'm going to show you a subtraction song that you probably didn't even know was a subtraction song. All right. Anything that counts down is a subtraction. So here's 5 little monkeys.
Five little monkeys swinging in the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile. You can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along came a crocodile, quiet as can be, and snap. 4 little monkeys swinging in the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile. You can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along came a crocodile, quiet as can be, and snap. 3 little monkeys swinging in the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile. You can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along came a crocodile, quiet as can be, and snap. 2 little monkeys swinging in the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile. You can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along came a crocodile, quiet as can be, and snap. 1 little monkey swinging in the tree, teasing Mr. Crocodile. You can't catch me, you can't catch me. Along came a crocodile, quiet as can be, and snap. No more monkeys swinging in the tree. No more monkeys swinging in the tree.
Okay, that's a silly little video, but it's a subtraction song. 5 minus 1 equals 4. 4 minus 1 equals 3. 3 minus 1 equals 2. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 1 minus 1 equals 0. That is a subtraction song. So whenever numbers go down, remember it's subtraction. So let's have a look at our workbook, page 41. Okay, orange book now. And page 41. Dun, 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 dun. "41. 4 little monkeys swimming in the tree. Little crocodile, you can't catch me, you can't catch me. Long came this crocodile and snap! Eat him up. Crocodile ate him up. All right, there's our workbook. We're on page 41.
Okay.
All right.
All right. What is it?
Let's move up a little bit. All right, there we go. Top one. Oh, I can see them all. All right. All right, ready? 94 minus 40. What is it?
54.
Oh, somebody's quick. Quick. Oops, sorry. Nice. That was fast. All right. 56 minus 13.
43.
Ooh, quick. Okay, these means you're subtracting a lot in your head right now. Okay. 69 minus 28.
41.
Ooh, who's that quick one right there? Oops. All right. And 98 minus 44.
54. 54.
So that's kind of sweet. Let's try that. That's a 5. 8 minus 4 is a 4. So, so it's 54. All right. So these ones you can kind of probably do in your head. Right? These you can do in your head. All right. I think if you look at the numbers, you can figure it out. 4 minus 0. I know that's a 4. 9 minus 4. Oh, you're starting to get this in your head, which is good. Now there's this way. Let's see if you can get these ones in your head. All right. I got this one already. What's that one?
Okay. 318.
Yeah, that one's pretty easy, isn't it? You have a 3 here and a 3 here. That one's easy. Let's try B. What about B?
661.
Yes, 661. If you look, oh, what's that? If you look at it, I've only got a 4. What's 5 minus 4? 1. And I keep the 6, 6. All right.
567.
557?
67.
67. Let's do that in my head. 67. Yes, good. Oh my gosh. D is really easy, isn't it?
801. 801.
That's it. All right. So you look at the numbers. Well, I could see the 4, and I minus 4 in the tens. Well, that's easy. 4 minus 4 is 0. 1 minus 0.
100
All right.
and 725.
Yes. Just subtracting the hundreds. Everything else stays the same. And here we're subtracting only hundreds. You know it's going to end with a 5 and an 8.
358.
Right? We knew this at 58. I had a 58 because we're only taking away hundreds. Here we're taking away tens. We have zeros. Here I'm taking away hundreds. Here I'm taking away the tens column. And here I take the ones column. All right. So these ones, you can probably do a lot of this in your head right now. All right. If you have a hard time counting back, count forward. So if I want this, yeah, that one's too hard. Okay. So I'll keep that up there for a moment. All right. So that's in our head. We were able to do that one in our head. Try and look for a pattern that makes sense. All right. And counting back, I mean, that's easy. You can't catch me. You can't catch me. All right. How's everybody? Everybody got that one? Okay. So when you're doing this, look at the numbers and think, what do I have to do today? Okay, a lot of people can do this in your head right now. All right, some people still have a problem. That's okay. So figure out your best way. You can set up an equation. 383 minus 3. All right, you can do it that way. All right, there's my 0. There's my 0. There's my 8. And there's my 3. All right, that's for this one. So you need to find out if you can do this in your head, great. If you need to set it like this, great. Okay? When I was your age, I was terrible at math. It was so difficult. All right, I'm going to go to the next page. We're okay? Okay. This is another way, again, how to set it up. If this makes sense to you, use it. All right? If you can look at this, go, oh, yeah, easy. But if you can't, then go another way, right? You can do this. Or you could have done this. 687 minus 5. All right? So either way, these ones you can do in your head, right?
And then it's really easy.
They are, aren't they? I mean, this one's easy peasy, lemon squeezy. What's my answer?
781.
Oh, easy peasy.
781.
Perfect. How about B? Do that in your head.
833.
Yes?
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3.
What's 9 minus 6?
9 minus 6 is 3.
There we go.
832.
That's right. So when you do it in your head, you got to kind of double check.
Oh.
All right? Easy. Good, good, good. This one.
462.
Yeah, that one's really quick, isn't it? Oops, 462. All right, that one's really quick.
904.
That one's even easier. All right, because you're taking away the 4 here and the 4 here. All right, good, good, good. Let's see if we can do these ones in our head. All right. Let me go out a little bit so everybody can write those down. I'll go out a little bit. All right. These are easy again, too. Remember, these are all in your head. I think you can do these in your head. So what's my answer there?
271.
271? Yes.
Yeah.
You're right. 5 minus 3. That's 2. And this one's pretty easy, too.
120.
Yeah.
130.
120 or 130?
20.
820, and you're minus 7. Okay, so it's really 8 minus 7.
492.
Oh my gosh, you went on. Okay. These are all in your head, right? Everybody's doing these in their heads?
853.
Yes. If you're having struggling with this, look at the numbers and what do I need to take away?
651.
We're subtracting.
468.
Oh, 651.
51.
You're adding. Subtract.
Oh. 70.
What's 3 minus 2?
อยู่เลยมาลบ 650.
There you go.
Yes, time.
Really, what you're doing is minus. All you're really doing here is a minus.
303.
Yeah.
203.
You're only taking away 30. Here we got our hundreds again.
368.
Think again. What's 7 minus 3? Sorry. What?
7, 6. 468.
And 68. Right. Okay, you're taking 7 and you're subtracting 3 100s. And what's 9 minus 4?
9 minus 4. 510.
Yeah,
510.
perfect. Oops.
What?
Okay, so here we're taking away hundreds. So all I need to do is subtract 400 from 900. So if I write this out, and look at hold on. Wait. I'm going to look at this. I got these two numbers, 900. Let's do it this way so everybody can follow. And 400, right? So that's what I'm subtracting. Well, I can see this has got to be 10 because these are zeros. If I have any number, I subtract 0. Well, I got the same number. 0 minus 0 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. And all I do is this, right? Which is 5. Okay, everybody get that? Same with this one. 768 minus 300.
So,
No, I know I have 68. Don't even have to subtract that because it's 0.
teacher,
And I have a 4.
I know center.
All right.
Second.
Let's have a look down here.
I am finished. I finished too.
Okay.
121. 121.
Let me have a look.
405.
Hold on. Let's have a look. Yep. 1. Yep. Good job.
Yes.
And the last one?
405. 405. 405. Teacher, 405.
Okay. So if you're doing this and you get confused, that's okay. Set it up like this, okay? If you can't do this yet in your head, set it up like this. And then you can see it, all right? So that's 2 ways to do it, all right? Most of us can get these. We're just subtracting 4. A little easier to subtract the 10s, all right? So that's up to you. How are we doing for time? And I'll leave that up for a moment.
Next page.
Next page. Ooh, show your work.
Teacher, go to new page.
Yeah, I don't know if we have enough time to do that. We can do 8. Actually, we'll go to the next page and do only question 8 because we do not have much time.
Okay.
Okay, look at 8A. Everybody okay?
Okay.
All right, let's go forward. We're just going to do number 8. We're just going to do this one right now. We'll do it later because we don't have a lot of time. So let's just look at this one. All right. So don't do the top. Let's do this one right there. Okay. Because they're putting the words show your working or show your work on the right. So in my head, I can do this. What's the answer if you do it in your head?
What is this?
Do it in your head. See if you can do it. Oh, that's a 4.
Oh.
I'm trying to subtract in my head by just looking.
I looking too.
So I got a 6.
421.
Yes. Right? 9 minus 8 is 1. 5 minus 2 is 3. And 6 minus 2 is 4. So you would get that wrong. So if it says show your work and you just did this, I would give nothing, 0. Or I might give you 1 point instead of 3. Okay?
Pie.
Because you didn't show your work. So what do I have to do here to show my work? Show your work. So you need to show what you did in your head. So I have to show it. We start with a 6, a 5, and a 9. Right? That is that one right there. Then I have to do a 2, and an 8. What else do you need to do? You need to put a subtraction sign, and you need to put a line underneath. All that's necessary. All right? So if all of this is 5 marks, let's say I gave you 5 marks for this. Okay? And you just put 431, you get 1 mark. That's all I give you, 1 mark. Okay? Instead of 5, because I didn't show. All right? And then show your subtraction. Make sure you put it all in there. 3 and 4. All right? So this here only, I give you 1 mark out of 5. You do it all like this, and you get 5 out of 5. All right? You have to make sure you do. If you did this, guess what? You get 4 out of 5. Okay? So you have to make sure everything is just like it looks like. All right? So 659 minus 228 equals, that means equals 400 and, oh, I forgot the minus. 659 minus 228 equals 437. Okay? Oh, I made a mistake. 431. Oh. All right, I lost 1 mark. I only got 4 because I got the wrong answer. There we go. I wrote too fast. There we go. Okay? So that's what called showing your work. Okay? You're showing what's in your head. Okay? If you can do this in your head, great. But if they say show your work, then you need to show your work. All right? If it doesn't have this part, if this isn't there, great. Just do that. Okay? All right, so we're going to stop this. I'm going to show you a little subtraction video. And I got you guys again today, don't I? Yes, I see you guys again at 2 o'clock for spelling. All right, so I'm going to stop.
English.
Yeah.
No.
I have you for English later on. So I won't have a goodbye time.
Have test, teacher. Is that test?
Well, no, I will. We're not going to finish that page.
Teacher.
We'll finish that page next time.
Is that English?
Yeah, we have English at 2 o'clock. Right?
It have test.
So I'm going to show you a little video, and I want you to do the subtraction. Try and get the answer before they do, which I think is all pretty easy. So let's have a look. You can probably,
Video. I know. See. I see.
you can probably do this in your head. It's all pretty easy, very easy subtraction. Let's see if you get all the answers.
Grass. What is grass?
Subtraction. Here we go.
Find the answer.
Find the answer.
7, 8, 10 minus 2 equals 8. Seven. 9 minus 2 equals 7. 4 minus 2 equals 2. 9 5 minus 2 equals 3. 3 minus 0 equals 3. 7 minus 7 equals 0. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 7 minus 5 equals 2. 8 minus 5 equals 3. 1 minus 1 equals 0. 5 minus 4 equals 1. 3 minus 1 equals 2. 2 minus 1 equals 1. 5 minus 2 equals 3. 6 minus 1 equals 5. 2 6 minus 4 equals 2. 7 minus 1 equals 6.
Wow.
class, who would like to do problem 3 on the board?
What is this? Yeah.
Okay, pretty easy, yeah?
Easy.
Pretty, yeah. All right, I'll try and find one harder. All right, so it's time to go, guys. It is time to go. We're going to see you at 2 o'clock. I'll have a video then.
Oh yeah.
All right, everybody.
Bye bye.
Good job, everybody.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye-bye, everybody.